Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to combine picture and text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show combine picture and text. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Then select from a picture. Now for click. Then click for insert option. Then I show insert from picture. Now combine picture and text. Now going to the again insert menu option. Then click for a text box. Now draw text box. Now some write from text. Now select from a text. Now click for a text color option. Now click for a white color and click for a bold option and change the font size. That's it. Then we show combine picture and text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.